So, it's hard to pinpoint the objective origin of mechanical keyboards. Manufacturers were experimenting with a variety of mechanical mechanisms. As time progressed, computers were no longer room-sized machines owned by large corporations and universities. They became smaller and more affordable. This meant more demand for keyboards, so manufacturers looked to increase production rates and cut costs. While the typing experience worsened due to membrane keyboards, it generally didn't matter to most people. Personal computers were still seen as a productivity tool, like a wrench or a hammer, and used for professional work rather than a personal electronic device. So, buying keyboards at an accessible price for home and offices was the main concern. However, as we began to use these devices outside of work, and as our lives and identities intertwined themselves with technology, people started to view their devices as an extension of themselves, personalizing their devices to suit their needs. As a result, in the late 2000s, early signs of the modern keyboard hobby started to flourish in Korean on-the-desk forums. This is considered by many as the start of the modern keyboard hobby.